Got one a lot better. That's just a warning. Y'all be careful, okay? Yes, sir. Chevy Impala. It's got an out-of-state tag, 227 X-ray Norway, 227 X-ray Norway. Possibly out of Michigan, I'm not sure. Devil. We're traveling 87 right now. I'm not 100% sure he's running yet.
Hot Springs, all you had 1063K dispatch, 1436. Grand County.
TBI Hot Springs, go ahead and send ambulance. He's wrecked out, rolled over. Right here, 167 North, Grant 167042. Can you get out? You need to get out. You need to get out. Get out. Get out.
I'm scared of the police.
Well, running ain't gonna do any good. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Come over here. Get on the ground.
Get me my Fourth Amendment right.
Get on the ground.
Constitutional right. It's on video.
You're right. It's all on video. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Hey, see if y'all could. You failed to stop.
I did not see you.
Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
Please.
Hey, see if y'all can stop. Turn that car off.
We'll look at you did the Fourth Amendment constitutional right.
See if you can turn the car off so it doesn't burn up.
If it's gonna burn up, why you got me right here? I ain't dragging.
I was wondering, there's 10-4, got one in custody.
Calling me in Louisville, Kentucky. In 2013, my name is Joseph Henderson. 2013, I had an accident at U of L.
Why didn't you stop?
Because I didn't see you.
Yeah, I'm good, man. Thank you.
Please, sir, can you stay here too?
What's your name?
Joseph Henderson.
Joseph Henderson.
I believe my ID should be up in that pocket.
You're from Kentucky?
Actually, I'm from Kentucky.
Hot Springs, you can clear the net.
What did he say?
He was basically saying that the net was clear.
I do have the
What car is this?
We got a, looks like a gas leak. You know, we go ahead and contact the gas company. All right. Pull your legs up. Pull your legs up. So you can stand up.
I said that nerve.
Huh?
I said that nerve.
It's going to be the intersection of 167.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Yeah. I've let them know. You got any idea how we can shut it off?
I have no idea about gas.
Okay. Hot Springs, that 28's going to be out of Kentucky, by the way. Why did you stop? Huh? Nothing. Nothing? Okay. We'll probably need to have an ambulance check him out real quick.
So I'm the only one for the state. I know it's going to be your call. So I like to turn this one down. I'm supposed to be in Little Rock. That's where you're living, so.
You got two other coaches. I got to tow it.
That's why I turned around and came back. I know. I see what's going on.
I'm gonna go get my car out in the middle. I didn't realize you had them.
Yeah.
See, I close the Denny now. The Denny's real close. I'm gonna go ahead and go and let the Denny take it.
Okay. I mean, we're not blocking traffic, so we're good.
Hey, how close?
28 on street.
I don't know if he's quite right or not.
Some kind of medical episode?
Well, he flew by me on a traffic stop at 90, like 91, and then I caught up to him, start running code on him, lights, sirens, everything. He just continues accelerating faster, so I pit him out.
Damn.
Is he drunk?
I don't know.
He done hit something.
Huh?
He done hit something.
No, I TVI'd him.
That's from
Oh, the deputy?
Yeah.
No, that's the way.
Is it made that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks fucked up from over here. Is that your car?
Where are you going?
1598 Highway 145.
Where at?
Downsville, Louisiana.
In Louisiana?
Yes.
Who lives there?
My cousin.
Your cousin lives there?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. You were the only one in there, right?
Were you hurting out today, bro? You have anything?
Yeah, we just gotta go through.
Let me go get some gloves.
Okay.
Where are you hurting at?
Just got.
You need some gloves?
Oh yeah, you don't mind.
Huh?
My big right now, my big toe and my eye. My leg, right now. My toe and my neck.
I'm gonna roll you over on your back, okay?
Hot Springs got a DO number when you're ready. It's gonna be out of Kentucky also. H Henry 12308-864. H Henry 12308-864.
Who launches this? Do you need statement forms from anybody? Anything we can do to help you out?
I don't think anybody even saw it, honestly.
I didn't know.
The closest one to see anything was the motorcycle rider.
You might not be able to fit him. I don't know.
Right? He was behind me somewhere, I think. I don't really know for sure. Yeah.
10-4 out of Kentucky, Joseph Henderson. Operator's license.
I don't know if he's been drinking.
I believe that may be valid. I do show a out of Louisiana. I'm going to have to check with them for conflicting extradition information.
10-4.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't.
I did get a return on that 28. That does return the white Impala for the
10-4.
Get it out. Get it out.
I can't look into your eye right now,
No
buddy.
water. You ain't got no water up in the thing.
I can't give you any water either. So I got a medic coming up. We'll get you looked out here in just a little bit. What's your first name? Joseph Henderson?
If you want, go ahead and put that $5 in his pocket. That way it's less we gotta worry about with the car. Yeah, he's the only person.
How many miles an hour was he pitted?
About 107. He flipped up, hit the pole, and came back down.